Hey guys, Varun Marathi here, and in this video I'm going to do the gaming performance review of the latest OnePlus 8 Pro. What I have over here is the 12GB variant of the OnePlus 8 Pro. As you all know, this comes with Snapdragon 865 and Adreno 650 GPU, which is supposed to be really powerful. Right now I'm going to do the PUBG gameplay test, and you'll also get to see the load time over here. So firstly, as you can see, there is no app running in the background. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's just get into it. So you will get to see the loading time as well. So when you start the game, on the top over here we have the game mode, which is there, which is on by default, and there's another thing which is called as fanatic mode. So when you turn that on, this is all that we get. There's like all the notifications and call will be blocked, the background usage will be restricted to boost the game, and even the secondary sim will be used in order to enhance the network. So I'll turn that on. My phone right now is at quad HD resolution at 120 Hz. So PUBG does not support 120 Hz anyways, but we'll still run it on that. So that's the full resolution. So as you can see, this is the load time of the game right now. It's pretty quick. Now you have to understand that the load time also depends on the network over here. So right now I think my Wi-Fi is not working properly. So yeah, here we go. So we are in the game. So talking about the settings right now over here, as you can see, this is the settings at which I am playing the game. So by default, when you will start the game for the very first time, the phone will be running on HD graphics and extreme. So that is the default setting which it will start at, but I have put it on HDR and extreme. So we'll see how the gameplay basically is. Right off the start, if you can see, even the load screen, it looks really good and smooth, as you can see over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a team deathmatch, so it will give you an overall idea about how the graphics is. So let's just begin with the team deathmatch. It is really quick as well, so we don't have to worry about it. The phone has 6.78-inch quad HD display, as you know, AMOLED. So the colors and blacks are fantastic, as you can see over here. So yeah, this is the basic idea. So let's begin. I'll show you how the FPS is. So right off the back, as you can see over here, it looks really smooth, and I think this is going to help the gamers, because this is the most powerful non-gaming phone. I would say this is more of a commercial device, but this is really powerful. As you can see, the phone PUBG is running really smooth over here, and there are no lags whatsoever. So we'll see how it performs. So don't judge my gameplay, guys, because when you are recording, it's very difficult to play properly. So as you can see, everything loads very quickly over here. The grass and all looks fantastic. Colors which are there are looking really good. The movement is really smooth, so it will enhance your overall gameplay experience multiple folds because of this. And as you can see, there is no lag whatsoever, even though it depends on how good your network coverage is basically. But I would still say that the phone itself has a very capable hardware, and it looks really gorgeous. If you see over here, every detail appears fantastic. And I would say that when you're playing an online game, this smoothness does matter, because this will actually help you to play longer times. Now playing this game, I've played PUBG before also, so I'll tell you that on the top end over here, if you can see, the phone does get little bit warm over here on this side of the phone, and it's not something which is uncomfortable, but I just wanted you to know that this is there. And if you can see, the phone is taking everything very smoothly, and that is something which I think is amazing. The Fanatic mode, as you know, if you follow PUBG, Fanatic is a team which is there they were recently in PMPLs as well, so it's a really good team. So I think with collaboration with them, they have made something of this kind, Fanatic mode, which is specifically for gamers. And it does wonders, because it will block all your notifications and calls in the background, so it will avoid any kind of disturbances. So okay, so as you can see, yeah, okay, I'm not that bad as well, but on camera it's really difficult to record and play. So from this guys, you will get the basic idea how the gameplay will look. Now this won't be any different when you play classic mode as well. So there's a reason for it, because even in classic mode you will have similar kind of performances. I know team deathmatch are different and classic mode is different, but I have played classic mode on this as well. Since this is easy, in order to demonstrate I'm playing this, and I think you will have no problems in playing PUBG on this device whatsoever. So there's that. And I think the battery drain, if you talk about, I played PUBG for 38 minutes before, and we had around 10 to 15% of battery drop. That is at quad HD resolution guys, and Fnatic mode on, so basically it will heighten your performance of the game. So even the battery consumption is pretty low as far as as far as I'm concerned, because I had Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and there the battery consumption is around 20% if we play for around 40 minutes. So I would say this is a really well optimized game, and 865 helps it in that, because it's powerful and it does not take so much of power as well. So what I'm going to do guys right now is I'm just going to go back, because I think you people have got basic idea about how the gameplay is over here. And I really think that if we play on this setting and the highest setting, the phone will just run it very smoothly. There won't be any issues whatsoever. But if you want to have higher FPS, I think you can switch to HD graphics as well, and you will get higher FPS. But I don't think there is any need of it whatsoever. The phone runs it without any issue. And I would suggest that if you are a PUBG freak and a FPS freak, first person shooter freak as well, I think this is a really great phone to have. It is commercial, it's not specifically gaming, and it's pretty thin and light, so even if you play for longer times you won't feel any problem. And I would say guys that this is definitely a good gaming phone as well, even though it's not focused at gaming. So yeah guys, this was my PUBG gameplay. So as you can see, I played it for around 5 minutes and the battery has dropped by roughly 2-3%. So even the battery optimization is really good. So yeah guys, do tell me how you like the video. If you want me to do something else, play some another game, please write it in the comments and I'll try to get that video as well. Until then, please take care of yourself and your family, stay safe at home, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace.